Hello all, this is another assignment from Data Structure Fundamentals 1, Self Round 1. There are two questions need to be answered in assignment number 3. Okay. How does linear search work in arrays? Linear search means nothing but we have to search the one of the target element, like any of the element, by element in a sequential manner, in a linear manner. If we want to search such a element, like if we have an array of 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, we have to search element 8. It might be placed in any of the element position. So we have to return, we have to compare the element with, uh, compare the element with each element. And whenever it matches to the element, then we have to return its index and we found that match. So in linear search, we want to search by linear way, like sequential manner from starting position to end of the array. So this is linear search. Simple search algorithm used to find specific element within an array. The element which is already there in the array, we can find by sequentially checking each element. And if we won't find any match, then we will return some negative -1 value or any error, what are the return value we wanted to show in the not found case. Okay. Start from the first element of a compare target element with searching with the current element in the array. If the element matches target element, search is successful and you can return index as well. The current element does not match target element, move to the next element and repeat the two steps until match point. You reach the end of the array. The end of the array without finding match, then we have to, for search is unsuccessful, we have to return some special value or -1. This is the program we can. And the function which takes input array and input array size and target element, and we will start with 0 as it is 0 index, and we will iterate till the size, like less than 1, less than the size, and we will increase the index each time, and we will compare with target. If found, we will return the index of the found element. Not found in entire array, we will return -1. How do we find frequency of a given element in sorted array? We have an array and we have to find the frequency of particular element in a sorted array. We have to notice this, it is a sorted array. And frequency of the element is how many times the element is occurred in the array. Okay. If you have an array of 1 to 10, if it is a sequential manner, it will each element will be have only one time. Sometimes it will be possible to have number 2 as a data element more than once. So number 3 might be have more than twice. Okay. If we have that kind of element, we have to find frequency of the given element in a sorted array. In sorted array means they will be arranged in a sorted manner, like it will be from lower value to higher value. So how we will find the steps is, once we take what are the input array and size of the input array and given element, the target element, which we have to find the frequency of that occurrence, and we will compare with the target element. And if it is found once, and we will increase the frequency. It will be found twice, and we will increase the frequency to another by another one. If we found another once again, we will increase frequency by 1 again. This is where we will find frequency of the given element. And as it is a sorted array, we no need to search entire array. If the next element, if the next element is greater than the target array, there will be no possibility of the target element. There is no possibility to have chances to have target element beyond that index. So as it is sorted, if it is a sorted array, for example, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sorted array will be like this. And we have to find the frequency of 3. And 3 is occurred 3 times. And the next element is greater than 3. And there will be no choice of having 3 after that element because it is already sorted. So we can end up the iterate when it is the next element is greater than the target element. So we will calculate the frequency of the element till the next element is greater than the target element, and then we will return the frequency of the element. It's a variable zero frequency and keep that element frequency. Start iterating through array element from the beginning. For each element in the array, compare with target element. The element matches target element, increment frequency variable by 1. The element is greater than the target element, you can terminate the loop since the array is sorted. This is because any subsequent element will also be greater and target element is not present in the array. After iterating through all elements, the value of frequency will be represented the number of times the target element appears in the array. Return frequency as final. Okay, this is how we do this sample program for. We'll take input array and input array size and target element as the inputs to the arguments to the function, and we set frequency to 0. We will start iterating till the size is till we reach less than one size, less than the size. We will compare each time. Whenever there is a match, we will increase the frequency. And if there is a no match and the element is greater than target, then we will break the loop and we will go back return the frequency. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Hope my answers are clear. That's all.